Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to make it simple. It's it's nothing confusing. So if you're getting the C1202 and C1205 wheel speed sensor, front left hand and front right hand, they're just ABS sensors really that I found on the hub itself on the inside. So if you take the wheel off, it's on the inner side. I don't know if I can get to it this way. Yeah, that's where it'll be found. And they're roughly about, I don't know, 15 quidish, maybe less. It's really easy, simple. You can do it yourself. You just change the sensor. You can pick these sensors up on eBay, Amazon, Bullseye, Eurocorp, whatnot. Once you change it, you don't need to do a diagnostic scan, and the brake light and the ABS light, whatever, they all go off as well. You will get the signs, and the speedometer sometimes may not work. They're the sort of signs you'll get.